is Miss Cho. Can you say my name is? My name is Isabella. Say
Isabella.
All right, excellent. Nicole. Oh, I'm going to roll it to you. Say, my name is Miss Cho. My name is Nicole. Thank you. All right, Louisa, are you ready? All right, Lisa. My name is Miss Cho. Will you tell me your name?
My name is Lisa.
Excellent. You said it perfect. All right. Ready, Shailene? This one's coming to you. My name is Miss Cho. Ready? You could say, my name is Shailene, or you could just say, Shailene. Excellent. Katrina, I'm going to give you a bounce because you're so close. Ready? One baby bounce. There we go. My name is Katrina.
Katrina.
Thank you. All right. Ready? Can you try and catch this one? Jenny, my name is Miss Cho. Can you say, my name is Jenny? Excellent. Thank you. All right. Here we go. Who is Miss Cho going to throw it to? Do you think I'm going to throw it to Alan? I'm going to throw it to Stefan. Can you say, my name is Stefan? Excellent. Thank you. All right. Oh, you know what? Look at all of you are sitting crisscross applesauce. I have to give you guys some points. So I have this marble jar, and I put marbles in here every time the class is doing something well. And you are all sitting very well. So I'm going to put 5 marbles in the jar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When this jar is full, we will have a party. Okay? It'll be like a popcorn party, and we'll have some things, maybe some fun game to do while we're having popcorn. So when we fill this up, because you guys are all good listeners, that's what's going to happen. Okay?
Michelle, you want me to call their names really quick?
That would be great.
Okay. Question girl, I'm going to be calling your name. If you hear your name, can you raise your hand or say here? Can you do that? Okay, then, oh, not yet. Stefan?
Here.
Thank you. Cindy?
Here.
Excellent.
Antonio? Do we have a...
He is Antonio.
Oh, okay.
He's Tony D.
Okay, I got it. Okay,
He goes by
he's
Tony.
Tony D. I'm going to put Tony here.
And Jaylon goes by JJ.
And Jolina?
Here.
Katrina?
Here.
Jaylon, is that JJ?
Here.
Okay. Faye?
Here.
Louise?
Louisa?
Here.
Luise?
Yeah,
Louisa.
yeah.
Okay. And Isabella?
Here.
Nicole?
Here.
Heather?
Here.
Heather?
I can't read it. H-E-A...
Hebe?
Oh,
Or Hybe?
It's hard to
H-E-I-B.
read.
He's not here.
Okay, so it's absent. Okay. Shalene? Charlene or Charlene, right?
And if I say your name right, wrong, can you let me know and say